Sorry guys. This is really cool. This is really fun. Look at that one. He's so cute. Hey buddy. It's 227. Oh, you gotta watch your step here though. I guess these guys are through hiking. I'm not trying to chase them. This is where the trail goes. It's really pretty. Here in Virginia, a lot of the trail goes through so far private property where they have their cows and stuff. Hey everybody. Today is Saturday, May the... I don't know what day it is, but check out this cool shelter. It's a Chestnut Knob shelter. It used to be a fire warden's cabin. Back in the day, they renovated it in '94. I don't know when they built it. Got a privy over there. Pretty cool building, huh? They used to call it the cave, but they added some windows so it's not so dark inside. Oh, 4409 in Virginia. Take you to show you inside. They got bunks, kind of like a hostel, like a bunkhouse. There's a picnic table. Used to be a fireplace, but I guess they don't want us burning the house down. Anyway, I think I'm going to hang my hammock right here. Today is trail days in Damascus, so there's been very few people on the trail. A couple southbounders and a couple from the United Kingdom that are here. But I saw them camping way down the mountain, so I don't expect anyone. Over there, that's Burke's garden. They call it God's thumbprint. That's a ridgeline that goes about 8 miles. And it's kind of like a depression. Father Man mentioned that this was also the very first choice for the Vanderbilts to build the Biltmore Estate. But they decided to build in Nashville instead, so I get to stay here tonight. I'm going to make some food and listen to the race on the radio, the All-Star race, so I don't expect anyone else. I'll have it all to myself. Cool. See you later. No lights though, no electricity. I don't need any light.